Do you want to see? Okay, great. Close the lid. Keep this. And no wipe top coat again. This is for all of you who love crystal placements. And trust me, you try the techniques this, which is I'm using a Trifecta with this condensed glue gel, no wipe top coat, and precision glue. This is so freaking stunning. It will help me so much with my crystal placement. I'm gonna do this. I am gonna get, okay, let me go on this side because it's too far away, I can't see it. But in the meantime, let me see what I'm gonna let you look at it. In the meantime, you can look at, can you put the 3 nails here for everyone down here? I'm gonna write on the side right here. Aha. This is stunning. I'm gonna do this pink. Oh, that looks good though. And this up. Accident just dropped. Don't worry, I'm just dropped this one, but I'm not worried about it. I'm gonna use something else. And my mixings. All the colors here. So it's really simple, same techniques. When you place your crystal, you make sure you place them tight together. The closer, the tighter they together is better, longer it's gonna last. Look like it's smaller, one side smaller. Oh, that is cool though. I definitely can wear this. I mean, on my nails. Looks really good. My frame. I'll give you a little bit right here. Even though it's in a coral color, I don't know what you call this one. Like a coral color. I'm gonna give some frame for it. Can you see it? I don't know, this color's just really bright. You know, you might see me do a lot of Hey, Miss Michelle, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. It's so good to have you. Love you, ladies. You ladies, my motivation. It's just a really like consistency. And that's give me a lot of like respect for all of you. I do a lot of crystal. Oh, I should have the obsidian, which is a darker beads. You're seeing that I really like this. And also obsidians will turn out really nice as well. I love this frame. We have a bigger frame too, please stay tuned for a lot of cool spring anniversary sales. Gonna be a lot of things and a lot of cool products with such a really good price for any of you are looking for some really good ideas. And every single items that we're doing, we're thinking of you as an artist, which what you're gonna do, and also our amazing team always dedicate and support you ladies so much. I think I like it too much. Let me know what you like, and for tomorrow live video we're gonna do something really cool and stunning too. Tomorrow I think it's my theme is gonna be a mermaid, something cool fun from crystal placement as well as the color gel painting with chromes and unicorn chrome. So we're gonna learn so much fun. Just be ready for like a summer times. So how do you do and how you keep the crystal placement look nice and consistency all the time? I have to say every single clients I don't do a crystal placement the same, because even though they give us the pictures, but I told all the clients I consult them we're gonna do something similar, but we're definitely gonna do something is absolutely specially for you. Not because we don't like the inspirations format, we can do duplicate, but then also we still want the customer to be proud, the clients to be proud, like, oh my god, I have my own special design that my nail tech did it for me. So similar inspiration, but that actually is designed for their own special, like customized for themselves. I think I'm good with this one, or else I'm gonna start bling this nail completely out. Great, if you want frames on this, you can. I can do like, it looks good. Wipe on the side and keep for 60 seconds. Luna, thank you so much. Yeah, great. Yes, it's so nice and bright. I love nice and bright, Miss Elsa. All right. Hope everyone have a great day. If you need to adjust anything, you do it now before you put in the lamps. Otherwise, it's gonna cure. Stunning. It's really productive. We did 4 nails. Really, really good, everyone. Sorry, I'm like getting stuff messy right here. In the meantime, I'm cleaning up. I don't want you all seeing me like, you don't see my behind the scene. Behind that screen, there's thousands of different trays of crystal right here, and I put it out next live video because I have a content, but sometimes if any of you will ask something, I would do it for you. I would do it for you if you ask. Don't hesitate to ask, because if we already have the designs already, then we can direct you to different video. But if we don't have it yet, so we're gonna do it for you. So we really enjoying having every single of you tuning in. Something is nice, so we can keep up with what's going on. So then you can love what you're doing without feeling like so frustrated and stressed about it. So, and that's now almost done, and it's stunning. So I'm here in Florida, and I don't know where everybody, just like if you remind me, that would be awesome. Okay, I clean up the stuff so we're not messy now. Thank you so much, the nails, Leah Nail. Okay, so next I am going to using my precision glue. I always going back. You know why? Because my client is so happy now. They don't have to worry about the nails. They come back 4 weeks. The nail is so nice, and they still on. Well, the nails is closed. Can you check? The nails, it will stay on, but it's growing out. So you need to come in or get a new set or a fill or whatever it is. So with this nails at our salon, it's gonna be cost between like $15 to $20 for nails. $15 for the nails if they're using with no frame or the beads. But then also it really depends on salon location. So like right now we're doing like a special promotion, so then all the staff can building a clientele continue. We're doing a special free nail art, which is mean that is some certain design that they can able to do and without extra charge. Great. So I'm gonna keep for 60 seconds. So, but then if unless you're doing $100 set of nails, then you will get this one or 2 ring swingers doing it. Like it depends on how much your service is. So then you can get the free nail art to accommodate with your design. So just some of the cool tip and trick for you to saying with the clients at the moments right now. So just like we're running a different, like in the next month we're running a different for like a pedicure or some others. The orange color is my favorite. A rainbow, multi-color, chunky glitter or foil design. Yes, so I want to put it. Thank you, Desert Digits. So we're gonna definitely doing it for next. You want to see all the trays? There's so many over here. I should do like how doing it. Like it's so cool though. It's has so many in and on the side. Like probably maybe 30 of them, because I always want to have everything available if I can, you know, able to doing it for all of you. Okay, great. Look, stunning. First look.